I am happy to announce that earlier today, Orange County was able to secure approval from the state of California to reopen economically, with more Stage 2 activities being permitted under Governor Gavin Newsom's reopening framework. The people of Orange County have acted responsibly over the past several months, which have spared us a large outbreak that we have seen elsewhere. We continue to see low numbers of coronavirus cases, and because of that, we have reached yet another milestone. Governor Newsom has allowed Orange County to resume activities like dining in restaurants and visiting shopping centers, as long as state health measures are followed. This is a much needed step forward for our business community and our residents. As we start moving through Stage 2 in the governor's reopening framework, we must remain vigilant. What we have accomplished together can be undone quickly. Going forward, our greatest foe is complacency. We must continue to be vigilant to protect each other, to ensure that we have adequate safeguards in place during reopening. The County of Orange has been adding testing and tracing capacity, implementing even stronger measures to protect our most vulnerable residents, such as those in skilled nursing facilities, and supporting our hospitals and health clinics to ensure adequate capacity to respond if necessary in the future. I ask that all Orange County residents to continue adhering to the latest health guidance on physical distancing, face coverings, hand washing, and avoiding gatherings. Our economic recovery depends on us keeping each other safe. Thank you.